An early multi-agent architecture deployed in the financial sector nearly ended a career due to runaway execution loops. Today, after a mathematical overhaul, that same underlying architecture autonomously processes $4.8 billion in transactions daily, with 99.94%. Providing a language model with tools without defining strict architectural boundaries turns it into an expensive liability rather than an autonomous worker. Standard RAG implementations historically operated on a linear pipeline. Data followed a deterministic path from query to vector database to model. This one-pass approach often forces a response based on weak evidence, resulting in articulate hallucinations. From an information theoretic perspective, this linear model fails when queries exist outside the model's training distribution. When the model is forced to synthesize a response based on insufficient data, the probability of an accurate answer approaches zero. Agentic RAG reconstructs this architecture into an adaptive, closed control loop. Instead of a single pass, the system dynamically decides what to fetch, which tools to call, and when to reflect, looping until it achieves a grounded result. True enterprise autonomy is built on a system that refuses to generate an answer until the empirical data allows it. Introducing dynamic loops into a non-deterministic system creates the risk of latency explosions. Preventing infinite cycles requires rigorous mathematical stop conditions. Modern architectures use entropy and Gini impurity to measure the concentration of a model's probability distribution. High entropy signifies that the model is unsure, which dramatically increases the statistical probability of a hallucination. As the loop feeds verified facts into the model, the prediction space tightens into a concentrated peak. The entropy drops, signaling to the orchestrator that the loop can safely terminate. These metrics are aggregated into a trustworthy language model score. If the score falls below a safety threshold, the orchestrator intercepts the response and forces another retrieval loop, using more expensive strategies like hybrid search. These mathematical boundaries transform a non-deterministic text generator into a reasoning engine designed for enterprise accuracy. For complex tasks like contract analysis or code generation, organizations have moved beyond single loops to structured, multi-step workflows. The Evaluator-Optimizer workflow uses a secondary, isolated agent to act purely as a critic. While one agent generates a response, the second provides explicit evaluation and feedback in a continuous loop. The evaluator calculates a faithfulness score by breaking down every claim into binary questions. It penalizes any content unsupported by the source material, forcing the generator to revise until the answer is entirely tethered to empirical data. Engineers orchestrate parallel networks as specialized agents, moving data governed by network convergence speed. To prevent rogue outputs, systems employ Byzantine fault-tolerant protocols. This ensures that if 2/3 of agents remain healthy, the system maintains consensus integrity, even if some nodes hallucinate. In this environment, enterprise intelligence depends on network physics to ensure systemic survival against token overflow and tool failures. An agent without persistent memory operates like an assembly line worker who suffers from complete amnesia every 15 minutes. When cloud infrastructure interrupts a process, all intermediate reasoning is lost. Modern architectures solve this by externalizing progress into durable checkpoint files. By separating short-term working memory from long-term factual storage, agents can resume execution precisely where a server failed. This chart shows a 20x variance in retrieval speed across search providers. In an iterative loop requiring 5 sequential calls, using an unoptimized provider results in a 68-second wait. This latency breaks the user experience and increases the risk of corrupted state files. Reasoning capability is effectively neutralized if the underlying infrastructure cannot maintain an uninterrupted logic loop. Before these systems reach production, they must pass a 100x load test. This requires maintaining an error rate below 1% while running at 100 times the baseline volume for 24 hours. One multi-agent system utilized persistent memory across 2,000 distinct sessions to autonomously write and debug a C compiler capable of compiling the Linux kernel. Major telecommunications companies are now using these multi-agent teams to ship code 30% faster, saving over 500,000 labor hours by automating granular implementation details. Successfully deploying at this massive enterprise scale requires entirely shifting away from simple conversational models toward heavily governed, autonomous multi-agent ecosystems.